how to fix memory management blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first solution for this error is trying to changing your RAM into different slots at first. And after that, restart your computer. And after this, go to Windows and type Windows Memory Diagnostic and open up this tool. And what it basically does is it will scan for problems on your RAM. And if there are any problems on your RAM or default values on RAM, it will try to fix it and correct it so that you will be able to fix your problem. Now the next option is to go to Windows again and go to command prompt and run as administrator. After that, run the command sfc/scan now and hit enter. And this will help to detect any problems on your Windows integrity files or system files and drive C or your system drive, and you would be able to solve your problem. Now again, let's go to command prompt and run as administrator. And now we will enter a different command, that is check disk or chkdsk space. For now, we're going to check our system drive. So C now types :S X and R and hit enter. And what this basically does is it will remove any bad sectors in your hard drive or system drive, and it will help to fix your disk C or your system drive. So these are some of the fixes for memory management blue screen error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.